You have your heart set on a beautiful golden doodle, but it's not that simple. You'll see F1, F1b, and other varieties of goldendoodles advertised for sale. So, what do all those letters and numbers mean? Are F1 and F1b goldendoodles better? And which generation of goldendoodle is the best choice for a family with allergy sufferers? These are the 7 key differences between F1 and F1b Generation Goldendoodle. 8. F1 versus F1b Goldendoodle. First of all, let's break down the actual meaning of F1 in the word F1 Goldendoodle. The letter F represents the word philia, which basically means that the dog is not purebred, but a crossbred dog. Every goldendoodle is a crossbred dog between a poodle and a golden retriever, so the letter F will be included in their generational name. The number 1 refers to the first generation offspring between a poodle and a golden retriever. Simply put, F1 means the first philia generation of offspring of specifically different parental types. The F1 Goldendoodle is a hybrid cross between a purebred golden retriever and a purebred poodle, which creates a first-generation F1 Goldendoodle that is a 50% golden retriever and 50% poodle. In other words, an F1 Goldendoodle will be half poodle and half golden retriever by genetics. What does F1b stand for? The meaning of F1b is similar to F1 except the letter B, which stands for back cross. Back cross simply means that the F1 dog is a back cross bred with a 100% purebred parent breed. The letter F still stands for filial, which basically means it's a crossbred canine, and the number 1 also means it's the first generation offspring between a golden retriever and a poodle. Therefore, F2 means the second filial generation of offspring of specifically different parental types. The F1b Goldendoodle is produced by crossing a purebred poodle with an F1 Goldendoodle, which creates a first-generation back-cross F1b Goldendoodle that is a 25% golden retriever and 75% poodle. They're more preferred by breeders and dog lovers due to their non-shedding and hypoallergenic coat. You may be thinking, how do breeders get exactly 75% poodle and 25% golden retriever? Well, the answer is relatively straightforward. They breed an F1 Goldendoodle and back-cross it with an either 100% golden retriever or 100% poodle. A typical Goldendoodle breeder will always choose to breed an F1 Goldendoodle with a purebred 100% poodle because of the hypoallergenic and non-shedding features they possess. Breeding an F1 Goldendoodle 50% golden retriever and 50% poodle with a 100% poodle produces a F1b Goldendoodle, 25% golden retriever and 75% poodle. Breeders almost always breed the F1b Goldendoodle as they prefer their non-shedding and hypoallergenic coat. Not only that, but F1b Goldendoodles also have some health benefits of being hybrid vigor. This means that they will be stronger and healthier than their purebred parents. Thus, F1b Goldendoodle's curly coat and hypoallergenic nature make it an excellent choice for owners with moderate dog allergies. Now, let's consider the differences between the F1 Goldendoodle and F1b Goldendoodle in terms of genetics, appearance, health, shedding, hypoallergenic level, ease of grooming, and so on. Number 7. Differences in genetics. The genetics of Goldendoodles differs because of the variation of genes from generation to generation. Let's compare the difference in the genetics of the F1 and F1b Goldendoodle. F1 Goldendoodle. The genetic makeup of the F1 Goldendoodle is 50% from poodle and another 50% from golden retriever. This is as a result of the cross between a 100% or purebred poodle and 100% or purebred golden retriever. Many breeders find it very easy to breed F1 mini Goldendoodles because they are relatively easy to breed between a toy poodle and a smaller golden retriever, F1b Goldendoodle. In contrast, the F1b Goldendoodle has a genetic makeup which is 25% golden retriever and 75% poodle. It originates from the F1 Goldendoodle and a poodle. 6. Differences in appearance. Both F1 Goldendoodle and F1b Goldendoodle are almost similar in appearance, but slightly differ in coat types and size. Let's compare their coats and also consider their sizes. F1 Goldendoodle. The coat type of the F1 Goldendoodle can be either straight, curly, or wavy. Due to the 50% golden retriever and 50% poodle genetic makeup, one can't really predict what their coat will look like and how much they will shed. The first Goldendoodle to be bred is the F1 standard size, and it's a result of a golden retriever crossed with a standard poodle. Its typical mature weight is 50 to 70 pounds. There's also F1 mini or medium Goldendoodle, which is a golden retriever crossed with a miniature poodle or toy poodle. They mature to 25 to 45 pounds. F1b Goldendoodle. F1b Goldendoodles typically have a curly or wavy coat. It has a lot more curls, and they are tighter curls, similar to a poodle. Its similarity is mainly due to the 75% poodle gene it has. The size of an F1b Goldendoodle is much more predictable if its parents are similar sizes. For instance, a 19-pound F1 Goldendoodle and a 24-pound poodle will yield F1b mini Goldendoodle pups, which weigh between 15 and 30 pounds as adults. In general, Goldendoodles' coat color can be black, white, copper, gray, golden, red, or apricot. But golden is probably the most popular coat color. Oftentimes, white color can be seen in the Goldendoodle's feathering, and the coat color has a tendency to lighten as they age. Number 5. Differences in health issues. The first generation of Goldendoodle certainly has the best health traits because they have the highest hybrid vigor. Now, let's compare both the F1 and F1b and see which one has the better health advantage. F1 Goldendoodle. One of the best things about the F1 Goldendoodle is they have a health benefit known as hybrid vigor. Hybrid vigor simply means that a hybrid dog will be healthier and more robust than its purebred parent dogs. This is because the inbreeding of purebred dogs allows the same genetic defects to be transferred to each successive generation continually. The F1 Goldendoodle is excluded from this because it is a crossbred dog, so it will only inherit genetic disorders that are common to both parents, the poodle and the golden retriever. F1b Goldendoodle. Conversely, the F1b Goldendoodle has less hybrid vigor trait than the F1 Goldendoodle. This is because the F1b Goldendoodle is practically a second-generation crossbred, so they'll definitely inherit less of the hybrid vigor trait. The hybrid vigor rule goes like this. As the Goldendoodle generation increases, the hybrid vigor trait they inherit decreases. Number 4. Differences in shedding. Goldendoodles are popularly known for their little to no shedding nature. The question is, what's the shedding differences between the F1 and F1b Goldendoodle? Let's find out. F1 Goldendoodle. Shedding for these dogs can be a bit of a mixed bag. Some F1 Goldendoodles shed a little, and others do not shed at all. Their shedding is further complicated by the fact that you can't tell for sure if an F1 Goldendoodle is actually shed until it gets its adult coat at 12 to 18 months old. F1b Goldendoodle. On the other hand, F1b Goldendoodle is a typical non-shedding dog. If these dogs shed at all, you'll only observe it on rare occasions. Therefore, the F1 Goldendoodle clearly sheds more than the F1b Goldendoodle. 3. Differences in hypoallergenic level. Goldendoodles are generally known to be very hypoallergenic. Now, let's compare the hypoallergenic level of the two generations. F1 Goldendoodle. F1 Goldendoodle is less hypoallergenic than the F1b Goldendoodle. This is because the F1 Goldendoodle is 50% Golden Retriever and 50% Poodle, and often shed like its parent, Golden Retriever, thus suitable for people with mild allergies. F1b Goldendoodle. The F1b Goldendoodle is more hypoallergenic than the F1 Goldendoodle because F1b Goldendoodle has a higher percentage of genetic makeup from Poodle, which is 75% compared to 50% for F1 Goldendoodle. Its 75% Poodle genetic percentage makes it more hypoallergenic and less shedding like Poodles, thus suitable for people having moderate to severe allergies. 2. Differences in ease of grooming. Goldendoodles generally do not shed, so they require grooming at regular intervals. The ease of grooming between the F1 and F1b, however, differs due to their different shedding levels. Let's see their differences. F1 Goldendoodle. Because the F1 Goldendoodle sheds more often, their coat will require more grooming than the average dog. F1b Goldendoodle. F1b Goldendoodle's coat also requires significant grooming, but far more than the F1 Goldendoodle. Since they are Goldendoodles with curly coats, they require a considerable amount of grooming in order to avoid matting and tangling of the fur. Hence, F1b Goldendoodle's hair needs to be cut regularly every 2 to 3 months. 1. Differences in price and expenses. The price and expenses of both F1 Goldendoodle and F1b Goldendoodle vary because of the variation in their traits and temperament. Now, let's discuss the difference in their price and expenses. F1 Goldendoodle. The price of F1 Goldendoodles can rise to $2,000 depending on the size. They're cheaper because they're easy to breed than other generations of Goldendoodles. Like any other dog, you'll incur expenses on dog accessories such as dog harness, dog house, collar, toys, etc. Besides dog accessories, you'll also spend on food, grooming, training, healthcare, and other essential dog needs. F1b Goldendoodle. In contrast, F1b Goldendoodles are available for sale starting from $2,500. They are more expensive because of their non-shedding and increased hypoallergenic features. You'll spend more on grooming expenses on this dog than an F1 Goldendoodle. Apart from this, all other expenses are similar. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to have. Please subscribe to the Amazing Dogs. Thanks for watching.